And then YouTube, y'all know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to 2015 Toyota Tacoma. Let's get it in. So we're gonna take this radio out by taking our panel removal tool in here, going pow, and then here going ply that out. And then we're gonna come in here and go bang. Uh-oh, hold on. Let me get another pow in here. I ain't get enough pow. Oh, there we go. There's the pow. Yeah, there's the pow. Stick that down there like that. Then I'm gonna turn my light on so you guys can see. But, well, you can see. Well, now let me turn my light on. All right, so 4 10 mils. One right there, one right there, one right there, one on the other side. We're gonna go ahead and snatch those out. All right, so now that's out. Hold on, I might use 2 hands, but the rest is just held in by clips, so hold on just a second. There we go. Just had to use my hand at the top there. Now we're gonna take out all of these harnesses. Alright y'all, so we have our radio out, 4 10 mils and a couple clips later. Now we're just gonna go ahead and wire our radio up. If you guys want to see how to wire up a radio, hit that card in the corner there and you'll see that video on the wire color breakdown. Other than that, I'm about to go ahead and get this thing wired up and ready to go, and then I'll see you guys here in a flash. Alright y'all, this is the end product, the DMX 7705S, the Kenwood. Oh, what's that? Backup camera. Boom. I'll do a video about that a little bit later. Steering wheel controls work. Volume up, down, changing the channel and all that good stuff. We retain the factory USB. And yeah, if you guys find any value in this video as far as like how to take yours out so you can install your own, please hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Until next time, I'll see y'all at the next car, baby. Peace.